the city of New Brunswick has long been a hub city, holding a strategic location halfway between New York City and Philadelphia. It's located along the Raritan River and what was an early colonial route, the King's Highway. Isha Vyas, Division Head of Folklife and Cultural Heritage for the Arts Institute of Middlesex County, takes me for an afternoon drink to share more of how this hub city draws in diversity and culture.
New Brunswick has been a commercial area since the time of the Revolution. As you can see, there are businesses, restaurants. In fact, there are over 50 restaurants in this downtown area of New Brunswick.
I know, I'm liking our Indonesian drinks right now, and I was seeing Thai, I'm seeing Mexican and Southwestern, and all sorts of interesting choices for food down here.
So as you can see, we just passed the State Theater. It's historic in central Jersey.
Lots of arts and culture in this one block.
Oh yeah, you have Mason Grove School of Arts of Rutgers University, NB PAC, New Brunswick Performing Arts Center, which is the home for George Street Playhouse, Crossroads Theater, American Repertory Ballet. We have New Brunswick Cultural Center here.
So an artist community that is being fostered by the community here in New Brunswick.
That's correct.